Searching is the fastest way to find what you're looking for in the Files app. No matter which location you're browsing, you can quickly search through your recent files as well. In iPadOS 26, search is limited to file names. It is quite simple. But sometimes you don't even need to search. Well thought out tags can save you the trouble entirely. You can tag both individual files and folders. For files, when you create a new tag, you can give it a name and choose a color from the available options. Tags appear in your sidebar. And you can toggle them on or off whenever you want. For folders, tags double as folder colors, making them easy to spot. The beauty of tags is that they work across both files and folders. You're not limited to just one tag per item. A single file or folder can belong to several tags. And going to a tag pulls everything in it, making it easier to find things you would normally search for. Tags cut across folder boundaries. You don't have to remember where you put something, just the tag. And deleting them when you no longer need them is super simple.